How do hard drives work? Made by Nelson Farrar in Mr. Keller's 4th Block 2008 class. This is a computer. It's my teacher's. He's modified it, put some lights in there, and we're going to be removing a hard drive today and then replacing it, putting it back. Not replacing it, but putting it back in. I'm going to show you a little bit about how they work, what it looks like when they work. But before we do anything, we want to turn off the computer on the back. There should be a little switch. And then you want to unplug the computer. And make sure you unplug the computer from the wall, but do not pull on it like that. You want to put your hand around the little plug and pull back. Otherwise you could mess up some of the plugs and mess up your cable. And make sure you also unplug all the cables in the back so you can move your computer around easily. And it won't get in your way when you try to open up the case. But make sure you have the right screwdriver to get into the case. Otherwise, you might as well just forget about it. And make sure you got the right side. But because we are removing the hard drive, we probably want to go ahead and take that side off too. Some computers you may not have to unscrew them. This one we did. And there's the hard drive there in the corner. And you want to remove all the screws. We are missing a screw. This is a classroom computer, and we've just kind of lost the screw to the hard drive, which probably isn't really good. Otherwise, if you don't have all the screws, or if your computer's not securely held down, or the hard drive isn't, it can mess up if you hit it for some odd reason, or if it could hit one of the platters inside. You'll see that later, and mess up some of your files. So make sure you have all the screws and put it back together. Turn the computer back around after you got all the 4 screws out, or how many of the screws are there. Start unplugging everything carefully. And pull out your hard drive, and there it is. And here are the platters, the drive spindles, actuator, and read-write head. Different types of hard drive. This one here is the typical hard drive in a desktop computer. The middle one there is the laptop hard drive. And then this one is the Bigfoot hard drive. It's obsolete now. This one's only about 16 gigs. And here it is being fired up. This is a classroom set hard drive kind of thing. So it's been touched, used, thrown around a little bit. And right now it's reading and getting errors with corrupted data, and it cannot start up the computer correctly. As you can see, the arm moves back and forth there. It's used to copy, delete, cut, all that for your computer. You'll see later on how that works in another video that I found on YouTube, and I thought would be really good for this video. And the computer turned itself back on for safety. Make sure they mess up any files. Once you are done with playing with the computer, you want to put it all back together. Yes, I know this video is going by quite fast. I fast forwarded it because I don't think you want to see him try to figure out how to put it all back together. Once you are done putting everything back together, you need to put the shield back on. In this case, we did put it on. We didn't put the other screws on the other side of the hard drive folder. We knew that it would all be fine, which it is. And then you want to plug all the cables back into the computer. And once you do that, enjoy! Stay tuned for a video from YouTube. How to Take a Hard Drive Out by Nelson Ferrara with the help of Chris and Zach. Thanks for watching How to Remove a Hard Drive.